Hey, hi, good morning, guys. Very soon we are planning for a long ride. That will a few of us having a first time such kind of a long ride. We are super excited. We are getting ready for it, and we are just getting a one step closer. In our group, we have buyed the C30 BlueArmour, and let's do the unboxing. The packaging is very nice. Yes. So here is the unboxing and the first look of the BlueArmour C30. In our group, we have one guy who's using the old one where the JBL speakers are there. Somehow the OEM is now changed. So if you can see here, the previous one have the sound from JBL. Now they have some Taiwan makers, and from there they have added this. So the chipset has been upgraded, and as per the website, the so just to give you the comparison between device and device, so this is the old one. I have kept on the old box itself, which come with the JBL sound system, and this is a new one. So just to give you the apple to apple comparison, new one come with a silver and black kind of a colors combination, wherein the old one have the gray and the black. So if you see the form and factor, it's almost same. It's identical. There is no. So here is the comparison between the old and the new devices. And here if you see the mic, the new speakers, and I think few more. Yep. There is a manual over here. All the peripherals, plans that required to get the connected to the helmet. Just to apprise, here is the old helmet where the connectivity is there. So very soon I'll share the snaps of the connectivity we have done to one of the helmet. See you.